Hello, my dear people of Nigeria. Here I come again to give you the latest, the breaking news. This time around is all about the daughter of our boo-boo, our president. Our president, Zara Buhari Indemi. That is the real daughter. You know, this time around they accuse our daughter, our own president daughter, for fraud. No be small money where they call 51 billion and another 2.5 billion. The money where they call in billions. You understand? You know that kind of level. You know, I may come to tell you waiting there on board. You know, because we they sit down the look and the way we there for this country. This country, me, you man, understand waiting the kukuma they happen. You know, because everybody want to be on highway. This is what is going on. Everybody want to belong on the highway, you know, because now the thing why I see where they cause all this greediness. How you go tell me, say a daughter of a president, you go to get even to they get accused of that kind of money, even if you know they're guilty of it. For to get that kind of allegation against her, it's a disgrace, you know. The other time they are accused of the same president, the son. The time where you get accident of back of millions, you know. Tell me somebody will not get anything where they do go get millions like that for your account, buy back where will be millions. Only where we call them, where you call them motorcycle. I beg, you know, that kind of thing they harm me, you know what I mean, you know. Me and they ask a question, they say, why all these young ladies they maneuver because they get opportunity to be the daughter or son of a leading president. Then you will see them for this kind of thing. Any place where small pikin, they cry, they point hand. If you mama no dey there, and papa must dey there. And you know how a bird go fly in this sky where you no go see him belly, his stomach, because you know they hide. Truth, you know they hide. And then near a tom of rumor, there must be truth on it. Before you can't hear this rumor, say our boo-boo daughter, they accuse them for fraud. Mommy, no be something where they just talk. There must be something. Anyway, as we hear the news, the lawyer they defend say there's nothing like that. But we know now, even if something like that happen, you know now the country where we did, they know how to do it. Apart from that one, our senior man, when they call Tinubu, you know I'm now the $1 trillion man. Tinubu $1 trillion man. We just become billionaire overnight. From being a politician to governor, from governor become a billionaire. No. So then they accuse them for fraud, the same fraud and the laundry and the looting and all those kind of corruption. Waiting be the case now, be say the file of the same people where they accuse them, the same file for court disappear. Is it not incredible? File disappear for court. Hey, waiting person no go here for this country. File where they tell the accused person, where they accuse for fraud, people where they fight for corruption. The file, all the whole file disappear. And at the same person, now in the fight make a con rule Nigeria for 2023. Now in the APC one present as their presidential candidate. The same person where you find this kind of guilty. Many accusations, many corruption charges against him, and all the whole file don't disappear overnight for this country where I find myself. Something they happen, oh, my people make on they know, and it go happen. You go say waiting, you know go feel happen. We don't come out and we no go vote up. They know how to maneuver things. Those their person where they want. They know they do election or you know do election. Now them the person where they want, now they go put there. Because the corruption don't enter their vein. They run through their blood. You nothing go come out and the corruption, all those leaders don't talk and waiting good for this Nigerian, the thing where they do for Ghana. The thing where they do for China. and you go see progress. Ghana, they take them the lab before. For the time where there, you said Ghana, you go to Ghana, they take Ghana the lab because of those corruption. But when the government, we know what's up, we know within day, we understand the click, we understand the moving trend, come, you gather all of them, squeeze them like this and remove them, clear them all. Now the thing we go for this country, mass destruction, mass grave, just bring all of them together like this, and squeeze all, never leave no one to escape, so that the new generation will take over the country, so that the country will yield fruit, that the country will develop, so that the country will become united, so that the people will feel among, and people will feel that they are in a country. Not this kind of wicked leaders who are coming up, organizing with their gangs, putting up their gang. After they finish their tenure, they will just organize another person, pump them, godfather, just become the godfather to the person, put them there, they begin to see, they steal, they rob, they corrupt, they steal the money, they loot the money out of the country. The thing where they pay you say the money, no be the money where they loot. Now, waiting person go loot money for your own country. You go carry am, go put another man country, make it take and they develop your own country. Why your country no get nothing like to be proud of? If you want get shake up now, you go abroad. Yeah? If you want train your children for school, you go carry them go abroad. If you want go holidays now, you go abroad. Yeah? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You as a leader are supposed to be ashamed of yourself. You run to abroad to treat yourself. You run to abroad to educate your children. Why the people who you the rule, they don't even get even water to drink. They don't even get light. Come on to from how many years in Nigeria they not want to put steady life for the country. They don't feed one. All these trillion, what they call every day. You don't reach to bring down. Say if not that light, they see I'm saying because now light and be unity, and be progress, and be prosperity. For any nation we no get light, no progress. Anywhere that the darkness, they can never be peace there. There cannot be progress there. Darkness, they bring any darkness now. Sleep everybody. Now everything you go to see for darkness. If you say light, it don't come for this country. You go see progress. People go bring industry. People go come to negotiate. Many industry, many country will come invest in this country, and the progress will come. Prosperity will come. Job, they will create job. When you bring light to the country, people will bring many things that will generate job for the nation. And all this evil and all these atrocities and all these terrorists and all this banditry and all this, it will be less. It must be less because na hunger they cause them. A hungry man is a devil worship. Try to understand. Even if na this government at the better, even if na that light on a feel put for the country, make una no say for now where we see there with una because me I know say very soon we dey go our blessed land, the promised land of Biafra. I'm sure that we are going. I'm sure that we will be there. We must read there because no need of trying to be together. We have been this together. We have tried to be this country for many years and it's not working. The country is not working. The country can never work. No way it can work. The best thing is to leave all the people who want to go, let them go on their separate way. Like we Biafran, we are serious. I don't know for do the work because all the do the work people, they are just like a knife we get two face. They know they stand here, they know they stand there. But we Biafran, I'm sure, because we are already showed the world that we are ready to go and we are still ready. We fought the war and the genocide war. The genocide war, nobody's talking about it. It was a genocide. But they are not talking about it. But we don't care. We lost the war because of the international country that helped Nigeria to fight against Biafra. But we still never lose the hope. We are still fighting the war because they show us that we are still in the war. They are the one not pushing us to the war. And we know that we must go. We must get this our independence because we are fighting for it and we hope on it. Biafra, we must come. Biafra must come. Biafra has come to us and it must come. And we must reach to our promised land because this country is not working. This country is a fair country. Nigeria is a fair country. It's nothing, there's nothing that will make you to believe that Nigeria can survive. Because every government that comes, he will promise heaven and earth. When he enter there to sit on that position, no more, he don't want to care. He don't want to listen to all the people that voted for him. He will just become the most corrupt. He will just become the most evil, the heartless, and the one where they rule now, and the people where they come up now, they can't lead that, now evil. How you go there now? You never think you come to all the whole promises where you made before you enter. No one have ever fulfilled, no even single one. Even single one. Now they plan to bring another person. You never finish your own tenure. You never do anything. Instead to bring another person from the same party, fellow party, to put them there for 2023. Why the one you do? You never see anything where you do. This party, this APC, they are all fraud. They are all fraud. And I don't know. We must do something with the youth. We must do something. We must do something before it's too late. And I'm telling all our people, all the Easterners, all the people of Biafra, please to support Biafran, to support Biafran, stand for Biafran. Let us go on our way because I'm tired. We are tired of this construction called Nigeria. It's not working and it's not gonna work. The best thing to stand up for your right. Let's go on our separate way. Let them stay in their own. Let everybody who want Nigeria, they can stay in Nigeria. But we Biafra, we are going. My people, we are going home. Let's hope God must answer us and we must reach to our promised land. All hail Biafra. Thank you for listening, brother.